Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be upcycling a shirt that it was originally not mine. It was from my boyfriend. So he owned this t-shirt I think for 10 years or 12 or could be more, but it has sentimental value. So I'm gonna try to save it. I might throw it away at the end of the video. We don't know. So let's get started. We're starting with this t-shirt that has some holes on it. So we're trying to save it, and the middle doesn't have any holes. So let's get started. I will be copying a pattern of a baby tee I already have. So I'm gonna copy every part of the baby tee. Okay guys, so this is where I messed up. So the elasticity of the other shirt is not the same from this one. So it does stretch, but not the same as the one I did the pattern. So my head, it's quite like little from the other also, but you know, it can stretch so much more. So we will need to do like pivot, you know? We will be opening the front just so I'm able to put it on. And I don't know if this will look good or really bad. So stay with me. So I'm gonna open it. This could look really bad. But what the hell? I'm gonna mark where I wanna open and let it be the middle. At least the face, it's complete, you know? So I want to create this like ruffle effect on the t-shirt. So I'm gonna stretch it. So I actually end up like opening a little bit more the front just because it's really tight and I could feel it. Right now it's like stretching, so we're getting better. We're getting better. Just so you have in mind when you copy a pattern that the stretch of both things you're copying it or you're gonna do later are the same, because I totally forgot. I know better, you know, but sometimes it just slipped my mind. So yeah. So yes, I don't hate it. I'm not gonna put the sleeves on because I really think that it might be too small for me. But yes, this is gonna be a stay-at-home t-shirt that it was the main goal at the beginning. So it's not looking that bad. It's not looking that good. I'm not so used to copying patterns. I already know how to make them from scratch, but yeah. So this is like the final result. I don't hate it. I don't love it, but it's a decent, okay look.